All right, so cross off number 1 and 2. Not that you can see it anyways, but you want to see what I did, Johnson?
Yeah, what did you do?
So, you know, I put those yellow sticky notes on my paper. I just left them on when they went into the copier, so, you know, it shows like so. Yours does not, but everyone else's does. So, you know, you got a nice clean copy. All right, so cross off number 1 and 2. We're going to do a little quick mini review. This is the last day we're going to spend on parallelograms. Tomorrow, I think, we start looking at maybe trapezoids. Yeah, we do. Okay, so what is a parallelogram?
Shape with 4 sides.
Yeah, it's a shape with 4 sides. Okay, it could be a square, it could be a rectangle, it could be like kind of like a half. Look, it was supposed to be like a half period. What the hell do you call that? Pyramid. Thank you. With maybe like the top cut off. Okay, so as long as it's 4 sides, and there are certain properties within this. Okay, so we know that if 2 angles are opposite, what are they?
They're equal.
Yeah, so if we have a 4-sided shape, that means that this one equals this one. Okay, and same with the opposite corners. This one equals this one. What about the 2 sides, do you know? If they're on the same side, yeah, they add up to 180. So you could take this one plus this one, and they're going to equal 180. Okay, and so if we look at 3, I have 31 on one side, and it's cut a line through. Okay, and so on the opposite side, I have a question mark.
31.
Yeah, it is 31, and one thing I want to note about that is that it's fair to say that this whole angle, like this piece plus this piece, is equal to this other piece, okay? And so if we know that this one is 31, then this one has got to be 31. Okay, chances are the ones that have just one number in them, they're going to be equal to each other. Okay, so if that one's 31, then that one's got to be 31. Brandon, you need a pencil? Yes, dear.
So this is just the same thing from last week?
I think so. We did it on Friday.
Okay.
Let me look before I tell you, yeah, for sure.
Are you having an out of whack day, Miss H?
Yep.
Me too.
Awesome.
I woke up, and now I can't stop yawning.
All right. So, yes, it is the same as Friday.
Wait, what?
Okay. So, I mean, it's not the same, but. Okay, look at 5. Okay, we have one of the angles. Okay. C right here. And then we have this D, and then we have a question mark. Okay, are those on the same side or opposite sides? Same side, so they add up to be what?
180.
180. Okay, so we can take this 58 plus 23 plus this one,
Question mark.
which is D, so we can put X equals 180. Okay, so 58 plus 23 is going to be 81
Plus 180.
plus X equals 180. 81 plus X equals 180.
Then when we minus 81 on both sides.
Minus 81 on both sides. I got X equals 180 minus 81. 99.
1.
Okay, and so you could fill that one in and say it's 99. Okay? Because these are all on the same side, even though D looks funky, it's really this part right here is 23, so you could take this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, and because they're on the same side, they add up to be 180. Okay, you can do the cheater way and just say 180 minus 58 minus 23, and that would give you that other side. Okay. Can I scroll? Okay, look at 7. I got half of K. Okay, I don't want to say half, but part of K is 65. On the opposite side of that line cut through is a question mark. So since they're on opposite sides, what does that mean?
They're going to equal.
They're going to equal. So if this one is 65, then this one is 65.
Set is X.
Okay, so chances are the ones with one number, you're going to put the same number there. Okay. 9. Okay, if this one is 39, what's the opposite side?
39.
39.
Did I get it right?
Okay, 11. If the one is 62, what is the other one got to be? If it's opposite
62.
side. 62.
This is easy.
Can I scroll?
Sure you can, but maybe you.
Okay, 13. Okay, I got M is 74, and then I got a question mark, and then I got a 66. Okay, what do we know about this angle and this angle? Are they same sides or opposite sides?
Same.
They're on the same sides, which means they add up to be what? 180. So you can take this one, 74, plus the other one. Okay, and it's 66, and we have a question mark. And what do we put for the question mark? X. Okay, they add up to be 180. So 74 plus 66.
Permission to look it up.
140 plus X equals 180.
Minus 140 on both sides, right?
Minus 140 on both sides. We got X equals 180 minus 140.
140. Wait, can I look that up on the page?
You can, it's 40. Okay, and so we could fill in this other angle right here, this question mark, with 40. Can I scroll?
Huh? Oh, I could do
Jared, you working or playing a game? Don't bite my head off. Can I scroll? Good. Okay, 15. We got, and this one looks weird. This 16 really goes right here. Okay, it goes up to this little spot. Okay, so we got stuff on the same side, and so Mario, how am I gonna set this up? Y equals 180. They're on the same sides, okay? Right here, they're looking at this one and then at this one, okay? This question mark and that 16 go up there. Okay, so 135 plus 16 is going to be 151 plus X equals 180. Okay, and then we can subtract 151 from both sides. And I got X equals 29. Can I scroll? Yeah. Okay, 17. I got one side is 61, and then the other opposite side is an X. Or not an X. What is it? It's a question mark.
Question mark?
I say it. Yeah, I say an X because it kind of is. Okay, so it is 61. Okay, 19. Is this the same side question or opposite side question? It's the same side. So I'm going to say 88 plus 40 plus X equals 180. So I got 128 plus X equals 180. Minus 128. I got X equals 52.
That's what I got too.
Good. Can I scroll? Trevor, you with it? You look like you're dozing. Okay, 21. I got one side is 39. What's the other side got to be? 39. Oh, I wrote 38 too. 39.
You must be really having an off day.
I am. 23. I got one set is 56 and the other is question mark. 56. Okay, and then I'm just going to do 24 real quick, and I want to show you how you can do it the faster way rather than writing it all out. Okay, so on your calculator, you can type in 180. Do it right now. For those of you guys that don't know how to do it, you do it the slower way. You're going to type in 180, and we got to say minus the other two angles. So you're going to say 180 minus 42 minus 95. 43. Okay, and you don't even have to, you can do all this part on your calculator. Okay, so cut the work where you can cut the work. Okay, there's no point in like doing all that and writing all that out when you don't need to. Okay, so if you know the process and you understand the process, just do the 180 minus the other two angles, and that will give you that third angle. Okay.
Good tip.